Hey there, everybody in YouTube land. It's my first video, so bear with me. We'll see how it goes and kind of go from there. As you can probably tell, I'm fighting a bit of a cold. My health is not great, but wanted to start something out anyways. And what could be easier than showing a few of my favorite knives? This one is by Rough Riders. These were all gifts from my dad, by the way, so they're very near and dear to my heart. Has a bear claw. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of inlaid on the grip there. It's very nice. I'm not sure what that is. Might be a brass of some sort, but very nice knife. Very sharp. Excuse me. I'm just fighting this dang cold in the middle of summer. Who could have thought? I have here what appears, I think, is a canoe knife of some sort. The only reason I state that is because it's got a canoe stamped on this side, and I know that won't show up on camera. But real interesting little knife. Kind of a Skinner. Another gift from my dad, and the wood on that is really light. There's no way to compare it to anything that I know of, like maybe like balsa wood or something. But anyway, love that knife. And here we have an obsidian blade. And I'll be very careful with this because I don't want to get cut. As you can see, it takes the light very, very nicely, and it's very pretty. Also very dangerous. I don't have a sheath made for this yet. I don't know if I will, but I keep this in a safe place, obviously. And the hilt, I guess you could say, made from a antler bone. Forget where this came from. I know my dad won it in a raffle, and it became a birthday present, and I just cherish it every day. I love it. It's really special to me, and of course I don't take this out unless I'm just taking a peek at it or polishing it up, but this obviously does not go out in the world with me. This just stays home. And then I have a little something new from Swiss Tech. It's what I believe they call the Exact, and it's a survival knife of sorts. So we have all different kinds of knives here, different uses. You can see how knives have changed over the years, how technology has improved, and how mankind has really grown and making what I believe is probably the first tool was a knife. And pretty cool. Pretty cool. I've loved knives since I was a little kid. My dad gave me one when I was, 8 or so, and it was an electrician's pocket knife. And ever since then, I've been hooked. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. As you can see, I'm a fan of Tony Boom Bots here. If you can check him out, that'd be great. He's a good guy, and he's down in Florida, and he makes little reviews like I do. And he's one of the reasons why I got involved in YouTube. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay frosty. Stay blessed.